Hi, this is Amanda from the Youth Services Department at Herrick District Library. Today I'm going to show you how you can register for our Summer Reading Program 2020. The first thing you're going to want to do is head to our website, herrickdl.beanstack.org. Don't worry about trying to memorize that. Make sure you have the link down below. Once you're there, you're going to want to scroll down and click on Register an Individual or Family. If you have previously done any of our summer reading challenges from last year or our winter reading program, you're already registered on this site and you'll just need to sign in. Today I'm going to show you how to do a new registration. From here, the first question I'll ask is if you have previously used Beanstack to participate in a reading challenge. Because we're doing a new registration, I'm going to say no. Who would you like to register? You can register yourself, or you can be the adult that's registering your children. I'm going to recommend that you register yourself. Why? Because you might not know, but we actually have 4 different programs this summer for our patrons. The first one being Adult Summer Reading, Teen Summer Reading, Kids Summer Reading, and Infants, Toddlers, Preschoolers Summer Reading. So if you register yourself as an adult, you too can be part of the Summer Reading Quest. So I'm going to click I'm registering myself. Don't worry, when you register yourself, you'll get to add on to your family members as well. From here, you're going to want to fill out this information, your first and last name, a username, your email, confirm your email, create a password, confirm your password. The phone number here is optional. It's just another way of us being able to contact you, but you don't have to add it if you don't want. Followed by what branch do you usually go to, how old you are. Don't worry, you don't have to put your exact age. You can just put 18 plus. Because you're an adult, you don't need to worry about filling out what grade level you'll be in this fall, nor what school you'll be attending. And then down here, it will say, would you also like to receive book recommendations? These book recommendations come weekly from Beanstack and not from Herrick, but they're pretty fun. You are welcome to click yes, or if not, just click next. Would you like to add another adult? At this time, if you have another adult to add, you can do so. If not, we're just going to click no to move on. Here, we'll be able to add a child. Would you like to add a child? Yes. From here, you'll fill out your child's first and last name, how old your child is, what grade level they'll be this fall, and what school they go to. We do have preschools all the way up through high schools available on the list. If you don't see your high school there, you're welcome to click Other. Again, it asks you if you want to sign up for book recommendations from Beanstack for your child that come weekly. It is totally optional, and you would click Next to move on. From here, it asks if you would like to add another child. We're going to click No. Great, you're all set up. So this is your landing page. When you sign in next time, this is what it will look like. As you can see, Jane Smith, the person that I created, is already registered for the Adult Summer Reading Program. And from up here in the left corner, you can click down and move between readers. There's Jack, who is registered for the Kids Summer Reading Program. And there's Jill, who is registered for the Teen Summer Reading Program. There's other registration options, like the Readers Dozen Book Club for teens. They can register for this program at that time, or you can say that they're not interested. Once our summer reading goes live on June 1st, you'll be able to navigate into the challenge, and we'll have a video of what that looks like for you as well. But for now, you're all completely registered. Thanks so much for watching.